The town of Cotacachi, Ecuador, is known for its leather goods and its spectacular mountain views. Located on the outskirts of town, this fantastic property features a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath casita, and a huge garage with a living room, a full bath, a built-in 40-foot storage container, and a large rooftop patio. The owners recently replaced the roofing tiles on all 3 buildings. At the back of the property is a large fenced-in yard, the perfect space for your family's dogs. There's also a large greenhouse at the back left of the property behind the garage. A motorized gate makes pulling your car in a breeze. As you enter the gate, you see the casita on your left. Originally a small 1-bedroom building, it was rebuilt by the owners from the ground up. It now has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and all new electric wiring. It's gated and has a separate entrance off the street, making it perfect as a rental or as a guest house. The owners built an old country-style well to hide the pump system for an underground backup water cistern they installed. The property was originally a tomato farm. When the owners bought it, it was all dirt with some commercial greenhouse frames, and only the concrete frame of the house had been built. Let's take a short look around the property, and we'll take a look inside the house in just a minute. The yard is fully landscaped, and you can see the top of Mount Cotacachi peeking out above the wall. The decorative river rock siding detail was recently added to the house. Behind the house, they built a trellis-covered fire pit for entertaining. It has both water and electricity running to it, and has beautiful smelling jasmine vines growing in around it. Making your way to the front door, you walk along the country porch that wraps around the house. The foyer features a striking chandelier brought from the US. A social bath is conveniently located near the front door. A hallway with high vaulted ceilings leads you to the living room. Also featuring a high exposed beam vaulted ceiling, the living room is the perfect space to entertain friends and family. The house is being sold fully furnished and move-in ready. A small fireplace keeps you cozy on those occasionally cool Cotacachi evenings. Large windows provide plenty of natural light. Open to the living room, the kitchen features everything the family chef could want. A large center island with a sink, granite countertops, a custom overhead light fixture and cabinets below. With a flair for country modern, a 4-burner induction cooktop is surrounded by a hand-painted country mural, a glass tile backsplash, and includes a convenient pot faucet above the range. Next to the refrigerator is a walk-in pantry. The pantry has been pre-wired and plumbed for a washer and dryer. The owners opted to install a combination washer-dryer in the master bath, preferring to have the extra kitchen storage space. Back down the hallway, you come to the formal dining room. The room is currently set up to entertain and features an antique card table. At the other end of the hall are the home's 3 bedrooms. Each features an ensuite bath. All of the bedrooms also have large built-in wardrobes. The spacious master bedroom is warm and inviting and features a small fireplace. The master bedroom also has a separate retreat the owner currently uses as a sewing room. A large walk-in closet provides you with plenty of storage space. A dual sink vanity in the master bath gives you both plenty of room to get ready in the morning. As mentioned before, the combination washer-dryer can also be installed in the kitchen. A sauna tub and a separate shower round out the master bath. Let's head back outside and check out the backyard. The spacious fenced-in area was designed by the owners as a dog run. That large building is the garage. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. With Mount Cotacachi filling the background, the dog run area has been planted with numerous fruit trees, including ornamental banana, avocado, and mandarin. If you love to garden, at the back left corner of the property is a large greenhouse ready to go. Well, it's time to take a look at the garage. This might be considered an ultimate man cave space. This high-ceiling, commercial-sized garage is an unbelievable space for cars, a truck, a workshop, and more. Skylights wash it with plenty of daylight. If you like to travel a lot, the built-in shipping container provides you with a tremendous secure storage room for your valuable tools and household items. If that wasn't enough, the garage has its own living room with a fireplace and a full bath. Upstairs is a rooftop patio with an enclosed pavilion. There's a fireplace, a brick oven, a wet sink, and a very comfortable place to relax. Recently, just outside the pavilion, the owners even added a sauna and an outdoor shower. Invite your friends and family over and get the party started. The owners are also selling their 2 vehicles, a 1986 5-speed 4x4 Suzuki Samurai and a 2008 4x4 automatic Chevy Duramax pickup. There is no doubt that this is a unique property, especially for Cotacachi. If you've been looking for a turnkey, recently built home with plenty of space and modern amenities that is also close to town, one that has spectacular outdoor living spaces. Don't forget the large Casita, perfect as a rental or for visiting friends and family. Then there's the large garage workshop. With a living room, and a fantastic rooftop patio that even has a sauna. You'll have your own greenhouse for gardening, as well as a large dedicated space for your dogs. Don't miss your chance to own this very special home and property. Call today before this one gets away.